Hello, my name is Mike Yulo, and I want to share with you and explain to you how our GFox dropshipping business works. But before that, let me share a few testimonies kung paano natulungan ang negosyo na to ang maraming tao, lalo na mga distributors ng kumpanya. So let me start with Mr. Edison Victorino. Si Mr. Edison Victorino po is one of the first few distributors of GFox. Dati siyang software engineer, joined the company when it was just starting, 2015. So ngayon po ay 2025, so 10 taon pa lang po sa negosyo. Amazingly, naka 104 million mahigit na po siya sa negosyo. Amazing. Ang katawa ko, because of that, he was able to buy many cars. Marami po. And let me just highlight 3 of his most expensive ones. Yung Jeep Rubicon niya po is 5.7 million. Yung Mercedes-Benz niya is an A-Class 3.2 million. And BMW Z4 niya is 4.9 million. And because of that also, he was able to collect lots of watches. And again, let me highlight 3 of his most expensive ones. Yung tag niya po na F1 is 350,000. Yung Rolex Yachtmaster niya is 750,000. And yung Rolex Daytona niya is 1 million pesos. Next is property acquisition. Meron po siyang townhouse sa Capitolio Pasig. Nagkakahalagang 27 million pesos because of the business. At sa kinita niya, sa laki ng kinita niya. Meron siya Rizal property sa Palo Alto worth 6.6 million pesos. Plus, na-experience niya mag-shopping. Karamihan po dito ay libre. Yung iba sarili niyang bili, yung iba ay libre galing sa GFox Lifestyle Reward. May pa-incentive po yung company na shopping incentive. So from LV to Gucci, no, ang isang bag nagkakahalagang 185,000. And bukod sa bag, shoes from Givenchy to Versace to Hermes, no, and also Gucci again, shoes and belts. Nakakatuwa, mayroon po siyang inimbitahan, katulad na ikaw ngayon na nanonood nito, you are invited into this business. Meron po siyang inalok ng negosyo na couple. Ang pangalan po ay Mr. and Ms. Rich and Ted Pailo. Dating cable guy po si Mr. Rich, former office clerk si Ms. Ted. Nakakatuwa ho, in just 10 years of doing the business also, 2015 nag-start, naka 28.5 million mahigit na po sila. Kaya nung wala silang kumita, nakabili ng Morris Garage. Ngayon, no, bago lang po, nakabili naman sila ng BMW M Sport Coupe 2025. 2-door sports car ng BMW worth 3.7 million. Kaya nakabili din po, nakapag-shopping and mga incentive din po ng luxury goods and watches, no, from Seiko to Philips Stein, tapos pati mga shades nila and sunglasses, branded, Gucci and LV. Bukod doon, property acquisition also, nakabili ng bahay at lupa sa San Pablo, Laguna worth 3.2 million. So an amazing business to share talaga. Nakapag-travel, no? May mahilig po at pangarap mag-travel. Ito na po ang best opportunity para sa inyo. Nakapuntang UAE, Star Cruises, Japan, Taiwan, Korea, Busan, Seoul, South Korea. May naimbitahan ulit si Mr. Edison na mag-asawa na yung lalaki, high school graduate, unemployed, yung babae, dating nurse midwife. Okay, so literal tambay, pero since 2015 until today, 10 years lang din, kumita na po ng 55.4 million pesos si Mr. and Mrs. Denny Sinaleligit Gano. Kaya naman po ang mga sasakyan, mabigatin din, no? Meron pong Ford Raptor worth 2 million, Nissan Patrol worth 4.8 million, Mini Cooper worth 4.1 million. Okay? Luxury goods and luxury items, hundreds of thousands worth. Also, shoes pa lang, 91,000 na, yung Hermes nila, no? At saka yung sandals and Dior. So iba-ibang luxury brands na na-experience nila because of the business. Watches, no? From Seiko to Philips Stein also, and travel. Sobrang hilig po ng couple na ito mag-travel. Kaya Singapore, Japan, Hong Kong, Thailand, Shanghai, Taiwan, Chengdu, Korea. Recently, they stayed 10 days in Korea. And yung iba, sariling gastos, yung karamihan, libre po ng kumpanya. This couple, Mr. and Mrs. Joven and Kathleen Maquinano. So dati pong mga nagtatrabaho sa mall, magkaibigan po kami. So former promodizer, doon po kami nagkakilala sa pagiging promodizer, and sales lady po si Mrs. Kat. Kung mapapansin nyo, ang joining date po nila is March 28, 2020. So 5 years pa lang po sila sa business, but they already made almost 44.5 million in the business. So wala po ito sa nauna na huli, no? Nasa sigasig po natin paano gagawin yung negosyo. And ito na po, multiple cars ang nabili, multiple luxury brands ang nabili, no? Watches, more shoes, and travel. Puro libre pong travel from Osaka to Busan to Seoul because of the opportunity. Also, properties, nagkakahalaga ng 4.3 million in total sa Pampanga. At ang pinaka nakaka-inspire at nakaka-bless nilang testimony before the houses and everything, pinarenovate po nila yung kanilang local church sa Pampanga. Umabot po ng 2.5 million pesos. So, ang next po, dahil nga yung promodizer na yun, may na-invite na promodizer din sa mall. Kami naman po ito, Mike and Angela Yulo, okay, dating telemarketer si Mrs. Ako po promodizer kasama ni Mr. Joven. Sumama naman po ako sa kanila year 2023 lang. So wala pa pong 3 taon, next year pa. But I already earned 15.8 million pesos. That's the reason why nakapaglabas po ng brand new Montero Sport Black Series in this business. And also purchased several luxury items. And mahilig po ako sa relo. So I have this luxury Rolex po. Itong suot ko ngayon. no? Nagkakalagang 400,000 pesos. Also Hermes. Nag-travel din po kasama nila Coach Joven sa Taipei, sa Busan, sa Seoul. Tapos meron po akong tinuturuan at mini-mentor, no, sa business na bata pa po ito, 27 years old, dating OFW, yung kanyang misis ngayon, teacher, part-time. Pero ang kinita na po ay 6.4 million. Inaaral pa lang yung negosyo, literal. No, kung yung mga nauna ho, medyo na master na yung negosyo kasi matatagal na sa business. Ito po siya ay inaaral pa lang ang negosyo pero naka 6.4 million pesos na. Hindi niya pa ito kabisado. Okay? And that's the reason why nakabili ng Nissan Terra Sport 2025, 2.2 million. Also, shopping incentive, LV, Seiko. Okay, nakapag-travel na rin. Iba't ibang bansa kasama namin for free. Again. And another couple na estudyante pa lang. Hanggang ngayon actually estudyante pa sila. Si CJ Pardo and Angela Luna. No? 2021 naman sila pumasok sa negosyo. Naka 4.4 million na. Kaya meron silang sakyan, Honda Civic, Toyota Hilux, luxury goods din. GFOX it's an acronym that literally means going from ordinary to exceedingly extraordinary. Napatunayan po yan ng mga kwentong nabanggit ko sa inyo ngayon lang. No, anong meron and how do we start doing the business? That's the next topic. So, ang kumpanya po na ito ay 10 years old na. So, since 2015, kaya marami na pong branches, multiple branches nationwide. We have one in Ortigas, our head office. We have in Lucena, we have in Davao, and we have in Cebu, recently opened in Cebu. At ang ating board of directors, the people behind our company na talaga nagsimula ng kumpanya, no, is mga negosyante po lahat. Majority ay Taiwanese nationals po. Isang Pinoy, dating Vice Mayor ni Vilma Santos. And isang Filipino-Chinese na bayaw po ni Gokong Wei. Ang ating CEO and President is a Malaysian, top of his class when he was still a student. Very smart, very intelligent person at napakabait po nito. Right? Siya ang brilliant person who is the author of our compensation plan. Kaya po marami ang kumikita na maganda sa negosyo natin. Heads Up member po tayo. Featured na po sa mga TV shows yung ating product. It is our Elixir Placenta. Elixir Placenta is a stem cell supplement. No, ang pinopromote po is cellular repair, renewal, immune health, hydration and elasticity, kaya gumaganda ang balat, healthy inflammatory response, kaya maraming mga masasakit sa katawan na naiibsan. Meron tayo mga vitamins and herbal supplements like spirulina. Spirulina is known to be a superfood, good for your gut, no, and aids in digestion, active proteins, vitamins, and antioxidants. Made from the largest manufacturer and algae cultivation plant in the world, which is in Taiwan. Merong formulation specifically designed for the needs of men. May formulation specifically designed for the needs of women. Meron din tayong Ganoderma King, King of Mushrooms. So supports blood health. Pagka marumi po ang dugo, maraming sakit. So nakaka-detox po ito ng dugo. No? And also encourages cellular renewal and supports natural healing. We also have vitamin C, but it's not your regular vitamin C. It's 3-in-1 vitamin C. Bukod sa vitamin C na sodium ascorbate, kaya hindi acidic, meron siyang turmeric for inflammatory and probiotics for gut health. We also have the highest concentration of omega-3 fish oil in the market today, 92% omega-3 fish oil, sinamahan pa ng vitamin B, CoQ10, and vitamin E. Kaya po, napakaganda dahil sobrang concentrated siya, kahit iwan niyo siya sa freezer ng sobrang tagal, hindi matutulog yung oil niya kasi omega-3 talaga siya. Meron pa po tayong ibang products for skincare naman. Premium din, quality din ng mga Kojic Papaya Soap. Weight management support. Yung ating African Mango coffee and milk tea. Soon, maglalabas ng matcha flavor. And coming soon, the first in the market, Barley Cleanse. Jelly siya, jelly form. Hindi siya katulad ng usual na tinitimpla powder lasang damo. This one, mas madaling i-take kasi jelly, hindi mo kayo magtimpla-timpla. How do you become a part of GFOX? Pili ka lang po ng kahit na alin sa mga business packages natin. Nagkakahalaga po ang isa ng 9,500. Pili kayo sa combination ng assorted products natin. Meron pang immunity, meron pang weight management, meron pang health and wellness. Ang pinaka good news po ngayon is meron pong super sulit deal business package na 9,500 lang din. Pero ang value ng laman niya is umaabot po ng almost 11,000 pesos. Kasi meron po siyang trial pack, 3 trial pack ng Elixir Placenta, sinamahan ng 2 bote ng spirulina. Just purchase that package. You are now a lifetime member of GFOX and our community, meaning you get all these for free. You get free training ng sales, you get free training ng marketing, you get free training ng personal development, leadership, training ng content creation, training how to run FB ads, and training how to use AI. Lahat po yan, pag in-access nyo yan sa labas, babayaran nyo po ng sobrang mahal. Dito po sa amin, libre. Kasama na po sa package ninyo. May 6 ways to earn. No? And I'll be discussing 3 of them para hindi po information overload. First one is when you retail the product through our dropshipping system. So mag-aalok ka lang, magpo-post ka lang, pag may umorder sa'yo, forward your order to GFOX, sila magpo-fulfill ng order, sila magdi-deliver, sila maniningil. Pag nasingil nila yung bayad, ipapasok nila sa account mo sa GFOX, sa dashboard mo, yung iyong tubo. So for example, sa screen ninyo, no, RTG is 1.6, selling at 1.6, tubo mo is 600. Hindi mo kailangan mamuhunan ng 1,000 para kumita ng 600 kasi may drop shipping. Okay, that's number 1. And ito po yung sample ng our price list ng iba pa nating mga products. So, yung gusto nyo kumita ng mas malaki, imbis na per item ang benta, benta nyo rin yung business package. Puro products ang laman nun with the opportunity. No? So, nakakatuwa, pag nakabenta po kayo ng isang business package, may 600 pesos kayo. At dahil yung nabentahan nyo, magiging distributor na rin, magiging first level nyo sila na downline business partner. Pag sila nakabenta, second level ninyo, may 240 pa rin kayo kada business package na mabibenta. Yung second level nakabenta sa third, may 180 kayo pesos per business package. Sa fourth, 180. Sa fifth, 180. Sa sixth, 240. So imagine, hindi na kayo nakakabenta, meron pa rin kayong income. Bigyan ko kayo ng maikling projection, nakabenta kayo sa 5 tao ng business package. So that's 600 times 5. Meron kayong 3,000. Yung 5 na yun, ginaya kayo, copy business po ito. Yung 5, nagbenta ng tigli 5. Meron kayong 25 business packages sold on the second level, meron kayong 6,000. So kung mapapansin niyo on the 6th level, kumita na kayo ng 3.8 million pesos. Yung sales bonus, you earn binary income from your left and right sales team. So for example, this is you, nakabenta ka ng business package, nilagay mo sa left mo, matik meron kang 600, katulad ng diniscuss ko kanina, tama? Tapos, nakabenta ka ulit ng business package, nilagay mo sa right mo, yung tao na yun, meron ka pa rin 600 pesos. Dahil ni left and right mo sila, nagkaroon ka ngayon ng team sales bonus. Sabi ng team sales bonus, pag may isang benta sa kaliwa, isang benta ng business package sa kanan, meron kang match na 900 pesos team sales bonus. Total of 2,100 pesos for the 2 business packages na nabenta mo. So, imbis na tig 600 lang, may additional 900 kasi nag-match siya. Yung first level na yan, si A, nagbenta ng 2, ginaya ka. So, sa second level mo, meron kang 480 pesos kasi tig 240 yung iyong GSB. So, si B, nakabenta ng 2 packages, meron ka ulit 480 pesos. And dahil may isa sa left, isa ka sa right, meron ka 900 ulit. May isa ka sa left, isa ulit sa right, meron ka na namang 900. So, ang total commission mo from both bonuses is 2,760 pesos. Ngayon, para mas maganda ang projection at sulit ang effort, mas malaki yung kikitain, I would highly suggest and recommend the family business pack. Ano po yung family business pack? Total of 7 business packages for the whole family is also the best business strategy. Ano ibig sabihin? Balik tayo dito, imbis na yung 6 na yan sa ilalim mo, ibang tao, pamilya mo muna. Pasok mo muna yung buong pamilya mo hanggang 7 kayo lahat. Pag ginawa nyo yan, nakakatuwa, value for money. Bakit? Kasi ang 7 times 9,500, 66,500. Lumalabas, yun lang yung starting capital mo. But the products you will receive will be up to 75,000 pesos. Ngayon, ang good news ho, pag pumasok ka ng 7 family, meron ka kaagad income na 8,100. As you can see in the illustration here, may 8,100 ka kaagad. Ikaw pa lang yun, kasama yung family mo. Okay? Ngayon, ang strategy natin is just secure 4 people, tutulungan namin kayo no, na magpaliwanag sa kanila, secure 4 people who can also afford that package, 66,500. 4 lang, out of the many people that you know, we just need 4. Pagka na-secure po natin yung 4 na mag-family business pack din, total po na income niyo would be 24,000. Okay? So magkano ulit pinuhunan? 66,500. 24,000 plus 8,000, halfway there. Okay? So yung 4 na to, tuturuan din natin to get 4 of their contacts to purchase the family business pack. So second level, 16 na tao lang po yan, will give you 85,740 income. For a total of 117,840, 2 levels lang. Question, magkano ulit ang nilabas, pinuhunan sa family business package? 66,500. Ang kinita nyo 2 levels pa lang, 117,840. Hindi lang po bawi. Doble na po yung pera ninyo na nilabas ninyo. Nakakatuwa, wala kang binentang product. Nasa inyo lahat, no? Family business package products ninyo, enjoy ninyo. Okay? So iba pa po yun pag binenta ninyo. I hope no, na-inspire po kayo. Sana nakatulong po sa inyong mabigyan kayo ng pag-asa. No? Na meron pong negosyo na pwede kayong simulan na ng 9,500 lang. Okay? Pero pwedeng kumita ng napakaganda at sulit yung products and grabe yung value na makukuha nyo kapalit. Okay? So kung nagustuhan niyo po ang ating presentation, nagustuhan niyo yung negosyo, yung product natin, feel free to reach out to the person who sent you this video or sent you this link. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Sana makatulong. God bless you all.